The best way to get lists is to go to your county register and figure out how they compile their list. That's where all of the companies like ListSource, DataZap, any of the list companies out there, they're getting all of their information from public records. So the best way to do it to stay ahead of the competition is to go there yourself, figure out how you can get the information you're looking for: probate, pre-foreclosure, water cutoff list, delinquent taxes, all of those motivations that you look for in your list stacking. The ownership of the property, the equity, age of the property owners, that kind of thing. You want to try to go to the city and county yourself. You can find a lot of this information online and try to get that information yourself. You can do, if you're a realtor, you have a real estate license, you have a partner who's a realtor, you can do a much broader mailing if you're doing direct mail, cold calling, uploading these lists, whatever you're doing with it. The list source is, there's a company called ListSource, great place to get lists. You can filter and do a number of list stacking with them and stack different motivations on the list. The water list is a good one: water shutoff, code violations, landlord court, evictions court, pre-foreclosures, divorce, and probates are always the best. Estate properties have been the best deals that I've ever gotten, but they're difficult to get. You gotta, each city and county is different, so you gotta go down there, figure it out. You can hire people that will do the research for you on the side and compile the list for you and help you keep up with that. So you can do local title search companies, have people that go to the courthouse and do this. So you can go down to the courthouse and just talk to the people in there that are doing title search work, and a lot of times you can hire them to do that for you. Just tell them what you're looking for, and then they're in there all the time. They can get that information for you and help keep it up to date. So that's a little bit on lists and list stacking and finding your list. The best way is to get it yourself direct from the source. That's what the big companies are doing. They're just buying that information and aggregating it, so it's not as up to date as if you're going down real time or finding something real time. So title companies, they have title searchers that are a lot of times independent contractors that go down and do title searches. Those are the ones that can help you with your with putting lists together for you. So check with those people, go down to the courthouse, have some fun, look around, see what you can learn, and see if you can find some of those people to generate lists for you firsthand.